Thanks for following along on our adventures. If you'd like to plan a magic vacation of your own, please subscribe to our channel and reach out to us on Facebook at Paul and Ashley Magic Vacation Planners.
Hi everyone, welcome to our villa. We are in the Key West Village here at Beaches, Turks and Caicos this week. We have a one-bedroom concierge villa, again in the Key West Village here at Beaches, Turks and Caicos. The category is 1BG if you're looking online, because I know there's a ton of different room categories. So again, just kind of right off this little entry hallway is this little galley kitchen here, which has tons of space, and I definitely wanted something with a kitchen because Camden, with his food allergies, I just wanted something that I can come back and like warm things up for him if we need to. So not that we'll really be cooking, but I just wanted a microwave so that way we could warm up some food for him, something that's safe. And then the boys' favorite part is the stocked refrigerator. So we don't usually let them have soda, but they were really excited to see soda in there, and it's stocked with soda, water, apple juice, orange juice, pineapple juice, pretty much everything you can think of. Also having a nice kitchen sink is perfect when traveling with a baby, so I can wash his bottles, make his formula. And then in here, which was a nice surprise, I wasn't expecting it, was a washer and dryer stackable in there. And they do provide laundry detergent as well, so. And then moving this way, this is the living area. So we have a nice little dining table if we choose to eat in the room. We have some space to do so. Two dressers on either side of the bed, and then the bed also has a trundle bed at the bottom. So they come in and they have turn down service each evening where they will make up the beds for us, for the boys. So one boy on top, one on the bottom. Tons of storage space, so we definitely have enough room to unpack. And I love the decor in here too. It's very beachy, light and bright. Something I'd put like in my own home. So moving on this way into the bedroom. Has a big king size bed in here with a nice size dresser, two end tables. Luxury bedding as well. Really excited to crawl into those sheets tonight. Have a full-size closet over here for us to unpack with some extra bedding, some Beaches robes. There's a safe down there as well. Nice little lockbox, big enough to fit all of our valuables. And again, tons of drawer space here. If you'd like to unpack. And then moving this way, it's kind of like a Jack and Jill bathroom with a pocket door over here. So it has a vanity out here. Someone can get ready, brush their teeth. There's a scale down below, a hair dryer. And then this bathroom actually connects back into the hallway this way. And then it does lock off into the second half of the bath with another sink, stand-up shower, and toilet. Shower's really big, really nice. And then out here in the hallway, we do have another storage closet this way with an iron and an ironing board and extra hangers as well. So this room, we are fitting a family of 5 in here this week. We're here for 5 days, 4 nights at Beaches, Turks and Caicos, and it's definitely enough space for all of us, all of our belongings, and everything that comes with a baby. So we actually don't have that great of a view, but we do have an amazing terrace. So we have 2 loungers over here. You want to sit back and relax. And then we have an outside dining area as well. And then a spot to kind of hang our towels and bathing suits and everything. So this spot over here to the left, this is actually the shared staircase as well as the elevator. So probably not a prime location for some families if you're looking for a little bit more privacy. But I mean, we're only here for 4 nights and we're really not picky about our room or our view because we know we'll be at the beach and at the pool with the boys. So just taking a look off of our deck, if you look straight ahead, you can see the lobby. So that's where we checked in earlier this afternoon. And the grounds here are just gorgeous right from the second that you drive in. So we are off right now to check out the rest of the resort. We're gonna throw our bathing suits on, so we will catch you guys later.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.